back to my channel. My name is Emily, and in this video, today we're gonna adopt me as a noob. I'm a bacon right now, as you can see. I'm undercover as a bacon to see how people treat me and adopt me. Are they gonna bully me or be nice or whatever? So my bio reflects about me, but I'm not just gonna be any noob. I'm gonna be a noob with a neon frost furry. So let's go. Okay. It's a normal server, not a flex server, but just what? I accidentally did that. I'm sorry. Okay, anyone wanna flex battle? Anyone wanna flex battle? Should I bigger? Oh, actually, I'm gonna do this. Oh, okay. I'm gonna ask her to come. Come. I do all my flex battles in the spring bridge thingy here, there, or there. Let's do here. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna say that this is going to be going to few rounds. So first I'm gonna start really low, like a cat, a puma, a buffalo, or something like that. Okay. I'm gonna say okay. First round. I'm gonna say, oh, that girl. She's kind of annoying me. Cat. Okay, I pulled out a cat, a newborn cat. Like, I'm about to make a neon. Oh, she also put out a cat. Come on. Okay. What is your? I'm gonna ask. What is your pet? What is your pet? What is your pet? Does she wanna roast me or what? I'm confused. This girl is confusing me. I mean, let me check. Like, I don't have a day. Put out a pet. Slot. I'm gonna say Ivan. Of course she wins, but Ivan. I'm gonna kind of be like Ivan, that I literally have no clue about the values and stuff. And she's gonna mad. I just know it. Cat. I'm gonna say like cat. She literally has no idea. I'm enjoying this. She literally. That girl is very I don't know. What? She's calling me a cheater. I'm not. Huh? Who won then? I'm gonna say who win then. Who win then? Who win then? You are. I'm not. You are. I'm not. She's being really mean. Second round. Second round then. Huh? Puma. For my second round. That's an uncommon. And lastly, I'm going to take out a Neon Foster, and I'm going to tell her that you should never bully noobs. She's being really rude. I mean, she could have just said, like, no, you lost, I win. Huh? What? Huh? I'm saying what? I'm going to say take out your pet. Take out your pet. You're being really, like, weird. A cat? Of course I'm in. No joke. One pet only. One pet only. That girl's kind of weird, if I be honest. One pet only. She barely has any pets, no offense to her. There's somebody in the chat saying they want a free owl. She can't use the same pet. You can't use the same pet. You can't use the same pet. Pick another one. Pick another one. She's being really weird. Okay, a starfish. Wow. Who won? I'm gonna say who won. Because she's gonna tell me if I say I win. Oh, her poor starfish is. Oh, I win then. I'm gonna say I win then. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna say next round. She's like, nah, it's me. Okay, next round. Wait, what? Best pet. I'm gonna say take out your best pet. Take out your best pet. Take out your best pet. Let me hold my Puma. Take out your best pet. I'm gonna take out my best pet. Oh my, I think she's kind of shocked. She's riding her koala. I win. I'm gonna say I win. You lose. You lose. What did you say? I should like, fine, you win. She's feel really embarrassed. Okay. I'm gonna say, what does she want with me? Don't tell me she wanna trust it or what. Okay. These days, like, what? What do you mean? Wait, let me just write that. What do you mean? That girl's so weird. I think I'm gonna go pick another buddy. Someone else. Okay, I'm gonna say, anyone wanna flex battle? Anyone wanna flex battle? Anybody, like, literally anyone? Except for her. She's annoying. Oh, see, I dropped. Okay, anyone wanna flex battle? Like, anybody? Okay, I'm gonna say come. Come. He's like me, I don't know. Okay, coming. This will be a few rounds. First round. I'm gonna say first round. Okay, my cat. 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 Beat that. My legendary mega cat. I mean, not legendary, nor is mega, it's just. Okay, he's laughing, definitely. Let me do a confused one. Okay, he takes out a cat. Riddles do that, people. I'm gonna say I win. Vin, I mean Finn. He's just laughing. Never mind. Take it out. Cat. Okay, never mind. Let's choose somebody else. Okay, I'm gonna say take out your best pet. Oh, now he's flexing on me. I have 7 cats. A snow cat. I'm gonna take Puma. Puma. Oopsie, arrow palm. Puma. Oh, he has a Dalmatian. He's literally laughing at me. Now he's showing that he has all of those Pumas. Okay. Take out your best pet. in your inventory. Okay. Dalmatian dog. I'm gonna show him. Now he's gonna be shocked, I know it. Ivan. I'm gonna say he's like, wow. Wow, my frosting looks so cool today. Yay, Ivan. Oopsie, why does this always happen to me? Oh, let me just come on, fly. He's crying. I mean, not my fault. Okay, guys, so this was it for my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys next time. So, till then, bye.